What's up, guys? It's your boy LS254. In this video, we're gonna put this super clean to work on an all-wheel cleaner. Phones away, grime and brake dust, super easy, super fast. Let's go.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm bouncing in my seven. I'm riding in my.
Alright, so we're gonna read the directions on here. Want to clean one wheel at a time. Rinse wheel thoroughly with cold water. Coat the wheel surface with super clean all-wheel cleaner from 6 inches away. Allow foaming action to work for 30 seconds. For extremely dirty wheels, agitate with soft brush or a sponge. Rinse wheel thoroughly. Dry with soft clean towel to prevent water spots. So we just so happen to have a pretty dirty wheel. As you can see here, it is on the rim. I honestly hadn't cleaned these since before I did the brakes. So I'm not actually aware if, you know, the foaming action or the ceramic brakes are leaving less dust because the car has just been dirty. So that's what we're gonna do today. It's just brake dust, so I don't think we need to agitate it like the brush or whatever, but we'll get one ready just in case. I want to see what it do without a brush pressure, honestly. Put the super clean to the test. You know, I usually use McGuire's personally, but this super clean is the same game for this truck. That's the all-wheel formula. Alright. So it is a foaming application. It says 30 seconds. 30 seconds on each wheel. The wheels are cold, so we haven't been anywhere this morning. Ideal conditions. Let's give it 30 seconds and see what it does. Alright, so in about 30 seconds, let's spray it off. These will be classified as a dirtier wheel. Like I said, I did want to see what it would do with just the spray. But like I said, it does recommend for the heavier wheels that they are, you know, you agitated with something. So let me hit it again with the spray, wipe with a towel, and then bring it back so you can see that night and day. So overall, I don't think it did a bad job at all. Get in here and zoom in so you can see it. You're gonna get a dry towel so you can wipe it down the water spots. But I definitely think it's a good product. Like I said, I did throw the hardest curveball at it because these wheels have not been clean. These wheels haven't been clean for months on months. Snowstorm was back in February, January, February, and here it is. What month is this? May. So about 5 months to build up, but did a good job getting rid of it. Did a good job. So we're gonna continue cleaning the truck, but that is gonna be it for the portion of the super clean all wheel cleaner. I definitely would recommend it. You can add it to your repertoire, and it'll be something that you can use for your future projects. It does say grime and brake dust super easy, super fast. Because it's an all-wheel cleaner, it should be safe for aluminum and chrome wheels as well. So no matter what wheel you have, then it should be okay. Till next time, guys, it's your boy LS254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it strength. Life is all about choices, choose wisely, and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop.